Trucks, due to their size, weight, and the nature of their use, are vehicles that constantly rely on their braking system. Losing the brakes on a truck is a dramatic and dangerous situation that can lead to severe accidents. That's why it is crucial to understand why this happens, how it can be prevented, and what solutions exist to address this issue. The braking system of a truck is one of the most important components to ensure driving safety. It allows a vehicle to stop or slow down safely, even when carrying heavy loads. A moving truck with a heavy load exerts immense pressure on the brakes. This is why the braking system must be maintained in optimal condition to avoid malfunctions. Excessive wear of the brake pads is one of the most common causes of brake failure. Brake pads slow down the truck's wheels when they come into contact with the disc. Over time, they wear out and may lose their friction capacity, thus reducing braking efficiency. A failure of these pads can lead to a total loss of braking power. Another common cause of brake failure is brake fluid leakage. This hydraulic fluid is essential for transmitting braking force from the pedal to the wheels. In case of a leak, hydraulic pressure drops, which can render the braking system ineffective. A fluid leak may occur due to cracked hoses or a defective reservoir, making effective braking impossible. The brake discs can also cause brake failure when they are worn, cracked, or deformed. The discs undergo intense pressure with each braking action, and if their performance is compromised, the efficiency of the braking system decreases significantly. Additionally, a disc heated to too high a temperature can warp, making the entire braking system less efficient. Overheating of the brakes is another major cause. This often occurs during long descents or aggressive driving when the brakes are excessively engaged. The heat generated can alter the components of the braking system, especially the brake fluid, which loses its properties. This can lead to what is called brake fading, a loss of efficiency where the brakes can no longer slow down or stop the truck as intended. Lack of general maintenance of the braking system is also a major factor in failure. A poorly maintained braking system, with misaligned pads, poorly lubricated discs, or a system that hasn't been checked for a long time, is at risk of losing its efficiency. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid this type of problem. Brake failure on a truck can have serious consequences, not only for the driver but also for other road users. A truck with malfunctioning brakes can become uncontrollable, leading to potentially fatal accidents. This is especially dangerous in cities, near schools, or on high-traffic roads. Moreover, a brake failure can also damage other vehicle components and increase repair costs. To prevent brake failure, it is essential to perform regular maintenance of the braking system, including checking the pads, discs, brake fluid, and the entire system. Brake pads and discs should be replaced periodically. If you notice excessive wear or metallic noises when braking, it is crucial to replace the defective parts immediately. Regularly check the brake fluid level. If it drops, this may indicate a leak in the system. It is also recommended to change the brake fluid every 2 years as it can degrade over time. Additionally, more cautious and anticipatory driving can help reduce excessive brake use, especially on long or challenging descents. This helps avoid brake overheating and ensures optimal braking. In summary, brake failure on a truck is a serious problem but one that can be prevented with proper maintenance and responsible driving. Keep your braking system in good condition, replace worn components, and regularly check the brake fluid. By following these best practices, you ensure not only the driver's safety but also that of other road users.